Hi everybody, I'm making a super simple salmon and vegetable dinner. I'm starting off with a hot skillet and I'm adding some olive oil and butter. You want your skillet to be hot, a little bit over the medium heat. Now I'm going to add my pieces of salmon and I'm going to put them in skin side down. Now I'm going to start adding a little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm going to salt and pepper them on both sides. Now I'm going to cook my salmon for about 3 minutes. It just depends on how thick your pieces are. Okay, so I'm going to cook them for about 3 minutes and then I'm going to flip them over. But you can literally see them on the side how much they're cooked. Okay, on this one, I'll show you right here. Close up. You can see it's halfway cooked. I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to cook it another couple of minutes until they're cooked through. And then I'm going to put them on a plate and set them to the side. Now I'm going to start cutting my vegetables for my side dish. First, I'm going to slice my carrot at an angle because it looks fancier. Then I have a green squash and a yellow squash, and I'm going to cut them in half and then I slice them into thin slices like this. Okay, so they'll cook quicker. So now I have a hot skillet. I added some olive oil and some butter, and here's my vegetables. And I'm going to mix them up with the olive oil and the butter. Now I put together some spices that I'm going to add to my vegetables, and then that's what I added, 1/4 teaspoon each. But you can put whatever spices you want, but these came out tasting really good. So I ended up cooking them until they were a little softened, and then I set them up on a plate, and then I put my salmon on top, and this is a delicious, very healthy meal, and so easy. So this is my healthy and easy grilled salmon and vegetable dinner. Thanks for watching.